Hi there, and welcome back to part 3 of the tutorial series. Today, we'll be showing you how to create a space scan for your experience using the Enklu app for HoloLens 2. Space scans allow you to directly anchor the content of your experience to your physical reality, allowing for greater precision when creating a location-based experience. If this is your first time using the HoloLens 2 app, check out our previous tutorial video on getting Enklu Cloud set up on your device, linked in the description below. To create a new space scan, you'll need to enter edit mode while inside an experience in your HoloLens 2. You can enter edit mode by using the voice command edit experience. You should now see a floating menu appear in front of you. Click on the button with the grid, which should open a radial menu. Navigate to the option that says Spaces and activate it with your gaze. This will bring up the Spaces menu, which allows you to do 3 things: find, create, or manage existing spaces. Since we'll be creating a new space scan, activate the Create New button. And just like that, we've initialized the space scan process. If you're unsure if a scan has been started, look for a text message that says, Space scan started. To fully scan your space, you'll need to walk around your room and gaze at all the areas of your environment you want content to be anchored to. You'll know if a part of your space has been scanned when a mesh texture appears on a part of your environment. We recommend capturing as much of your space as possible to ensure the greatest degree of precision with anchoring your content. After enough of your space has been scanned, you'll see a pop-up that asks, "Are you finished scanning?" Selecting Yes will complete the scan, and you'll see a brief message that indicates that your scan is being uploaded to the cloud. Now that we have our space scan, it's time to show you the power of Enklu Cloud firsthand by editing an experience in the web editor while in the headset. But first, let's confirm that your new space scan is linked to your experience. Open your experience in the web editor and click on the element in the hierarchy with your experience's name. In the inspector, you should see under Space 2 lines of text, the name of your space, and the space ID. If a space is not linked to an experience, this section will instead read, No space linked. If a space has been successfully linked to your experience, you should also see a gray mesh of your environment inside of the canvas. We'll be using this mesh to position content inside of our physical environment soon. Put on your HoloLens 2 and load into your experience in the headset. You'll notice that the content inside of the mesh scan in the web editor is mapped one-to-one with the position of the content inside of your physical space. In my case, I want to reposition this plant asset to be next to my TV. To do so, I'll simply select my plant asset in the hierarchy and move them next to the space mesh version of my TV using the movement gizmo. Almost instantly, this plant will now reappear next to my TV in the headset. I can continue to reposition my assets in the experience to best fit my scanned space and see changes get updated in real time while wearing the headset. If you'd like to remove an existing space scan, you can do this in 2 ways. The first way is inside the HoloLens. While inside the experience, enter edit mode again and re-navigate to the Spaces menu. Select Switch to Free Floating in order to clear the space from your experience. The second way is through the web editor. While selecting the root element in the hierarchy again, click on the Manage Spaces button in the inspector. This will change the inspector to show you all the space scans you've created, as well as show a button that says Unlink Space. Clicking this will bring up a modal dialog box to confirm that you want to remove the space scan. Clicking Yes will then clear the space from your experience, and you should see the gray mesh scan disappear from the canvas. Space scans are a game changer for editing AR content in real time. Instead of needing to create a new build every time you edit an AR experience, you can focus on iterating and making your experiences better in your actual physical venue. In our next tutorial, we'll be looking at some exciting use cases of Enklu Cloud. Thanks for following along, and we'll see you again in part 4.